Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the default search engine on Google Chrome. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's go further process. And so first of all what we're going to do here, we'll go and open our Google Chrome as you can see over here. And then once we open Google Chrome, the second step going to be the following up. Up to the right corner we have these three dots. So we're going to click on them. And so we have new tab, new window, and so on, passwords, history, downloads, bookmarks, but we'll scroll down to the settings. And then we're going to click on the settings over here between help and exit. So once we click on it, we'll be directly to the page. And so here we have the indoor settings for Google Chrome. So on the left side, on the settings, we have you and Google, autofill, and so on. Just scroll down a little bit until you can find this option, which is search engine. And so we're going to click on it, right? And so from here, you have the search engine, which is the default search engine. You're going to click on the change in order to make it, for example, Microsoft Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, DuckDuckGo, and so on and so forth. In my case, I prefer to make it on Google. Just click on it and then choose set as default. And once you click on it, that's it. That's how you can change the search engine on Chrome. At the end, that was all today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.